Hi, I'm Dr. Neneman with Neneman Chiropractic Clinic, and thanks for joining us for another week in our video blog series. I'm going to switch it up a little bit this week. I normally talk about some sort of health condition. This week I'm going to actually talk about health insurance. It's something that a lot of people get confused with. One question I get a lot from patients is, does I don't even think my health insurance, covers chiropractic. Well, I will say that, nowadays most insurances will cover chiropractic. Here at the office I am a provider, an in-network provider for most health insurances. Most do cover it, but the thing I want to emphasize, the common trend these days are high deductibles, and that's what a lot of people don't understand. Most patients, when they purchase health insurance, they find out that the cheaper plans, which are more appealing to them because of cost, most of those cheaper plans are high deductible plans. Years ago, what you saw were copay plans where you came to see the chiropractor and all you did was pay a copay. It was very cheap for the patient. The insurance would cover the rest of the visit beyond the copay, and it was great for patients. Now there are still plans like that out there. I still have patients that have just regular cheap copay when they come here. Those plans tend to be more expensive. What you are seeing now, a lot of individuals and companies that offer health insurance are going to the high deductible plans, and that means you pay out of pocket until you hit your deductible. Then the insurance company starts paying. So that's one thing I want to educate you on, is that when you're purchasing health insurance, find out, do you have a deductible? Does it apply to chiropractic? And one thing that confuses people is a lot of patients, when they get their insurance, and it may say it right on the card, it says, an office visit, that they have a copay. And so they come here thinking they have that copay. And what you'll find out is a lot of times that may only apply for a medical doctor visit. Insurance companies, they know that most people might only go to a medical doctor maybe once or twice a year, so they give them a copay for that. But it's well known in a chiropractic office, you're not going to get fixed in just one treatment. It's usually going to require a number of treatments. And so for chiropractic, most insurance companies will apply a deductible. You may have a copay for the medical doctor, but for chiropractic manipulations, you'll have a deductible. Some insurances, for your initial visit here, for your exam, your x-rays, which is considered an office visit, a copay will apply, but for manipulations thereafter on subsequent treatments, deductible will apply. And so like I said, the general trend as you're seeing is high deductibles. There's people with $1,000, $2,000, $4,000, $5,000 deductibles, which means you will be paying out of pocket for your visits until you hit that $1,000, that $1,000, $5,000 deductible. So your insurance will not pay until after that. So I really hope this helps you out. It helps kind of clarify some things with insurance. Again, if you're purchasing insurance, ask a lot of questions. Find out, what kind of coverage do you have? Do you have a copay for chiropractic? Or, do you have a copay for the first office visit and then a deductible thereafter? Is it strictly deductible? Is it a high deductible? Find these things out. And if you already have insurance and you're not sure, call us. We can get your insurance info from you. We can call. My staff will call your insurance company and find out what your chiropractic benefits are. That is a free service we offer to patients. We'll call you back and tell you exactly what your insurance coverage is. So. Now that being said, it's not always quoted to us properly too. Usually it is, but every once in a while we get misquoted. They tell us one thing, but your benefits are actually a little bit different. But most time it is spot on. So hopefully this cleared up some things on insurance for you. So give us a call. We'll find out for you. Come in, we'll get you checked out. So thanks for tuning in today. Join us again next time. Have a great weekend.